Hello everybody and welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Facebook Live video using a laptop or actually even a desktop computer with a webcam. So what do you need? Either a laptop with a webcam or a desktop with a webcam. Either one will work. You need to have internet access from your recording location. And, it has to be fairly decent. Obviously, things like dial-up are not going to work for streaming video. And you must have a Facebook page or a group. So where should you record? You certainly could record from your church office. I know some pastors might say, but my office is a mess. I don't know. Maybe it's an excuse to clean your office a little bit. Also, home office will work. Some people might prefer to use the sanctuary or, something that's close to their comfortable place where they normally will deliver a message, etc. You could technically use what we're going to talk about in order to stream an entire service that wasn't just a message. But that's probably better done with a smartphone, which will be the subject of another video. Right? And if you don't have internet access at home or at church, at least not anything that's decent, get creative. Coffee shop, whatever works, right? Some place where you have a webcam and you have internet, that's all you really need to get this to happen. Okay, so where are you going to go with this video? Facebook page, we talked about a previous video, the difference between a Facebook page and a Facebook group. And I would definitely recommend for any kind of message or services that you post these things to your Facebook page. Remember, this is your public image of your church. So don't post videos related to your internal business. Don't have things related to maybe church council meeting or anything like that. Don't mention anything confidential. This is out there for the entire world to see. So just be careful what you say and what you do. You can post messages to your Facebook groups. This is good for only things that you want your members to see. You don't want the general public to see it. Something that's internal to your church. Again, do not post anything confidential, right? The internet's forever. You can't take things back. It's one of those truisms where once you post something on the internet, it's there. And you can never retract it. It gets archived. People copy it. And it's there forever. Also, Facebook security is pretty far from perfect. My day job, I actually teach computer security and forensics at a university. And I can tell you that Facebook security is very far from perfect. So don't assume that just because it's in a group, other people won't see it. People will copy it, paste it. And, as soon as it's out there, it only takes one person and then it's out there for the entire world. All right, enough about that. Let's go ahead and I want to show you how to do this. So I'm going to use my laptop to create a quick demo. All right, so I'm already logged on to the Facebook page for the North American Lutheran Church Atlantic Mission Region, which we created in a previous video. And here's all I have to do in order to go live. I'm going to click on this button, says create live. Now it comes up with a message saying, hey, I want to access your webcam. Should this be allowed or not? Now, I'm using Firefox in this case. You might get something similar with Chrome. I did actually try this earlier with Chrome, and for some reason it was having some more issues. So if you have issues where it says, hey, I can't access the camera, you might consider using Firefox instead of Chrome. Okay. And I'm going to use this webcam, which is the one connected to my laptop. I'm actually using an external webcam to record on my system here. And I will use the same microphone. If you were doing this on your laptop and you didn't have a separate microphone, you could just say, hey, use the one for the webcam or the built-in microphone. So I'll say, go ahead and allow that. And now I'll move my other view of myself over here. It's a little bit surreal. I have myself in picture. Okay, so it says share on a page you manage. That would be this page. It's the North American Lutheran Church AMR page. Say something about this live video. This is a quick demo of live streaming. And, what video camera, what microphone do you want to use? I can give it a title. I can say this is a demo live stream. And I can give it whatever tags I want. I can also give it a group. I could send it, for example, to the NALC-AMR group. And I would have to look that up. For now, let's not worry about that. Let's see if I type North American. No. NALC Atlantic. I don't remember what I called this group. That's kind of the problem. But anyway, I'm just going to click on Go Live. And as soon as I do that, it gives me a countdown. And there you go. Now I'm live on this website. So now it looks a little bit strange because I'm looking off to the side because my laptop's in front of me. I actually have 3 screens attached to this laptop. And, again, you can go ahead and say whatever you want to say. If you're doing this from your church office or your home office, it's probably better for this kind of a video. But that's all you have to do. And once you're done, I can just click on End Live Video. Do you want to end this? I'll say yes, please. Now, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and click on Delete Video. I could click on Done, and then it will actually put it up on your page and it'll even archive it. So that obviously if someone didn't see it with the exact moment that you recorded it, they can always come back later, which is another good advantage to doing this for your church. If you're sending a message from your office to your members primarily, they can always go back later and watch it. All right, so we saw how to create a Facebook Live video for a page, and now let's do the same thing for a group. And honestly, the procedure is pretty much the same. I've already gone to our NALC Atlantic Mission Region group, which we created in a previous video. And now I'm just going to click on Live Video. And once again, it's going to say, do you want to use this camera? Yes, please. And the exact same thing. Demo video within a group. So, demo video within a group. And once again, my other webcam is kind of in the way. I just click on Go Live. It's going to give me a countdown. And now I'm live on the group. So I can go ahead and record whatever I want to record. Of course, if you want to do this, you probably want to have a little bit cleaner background than my electronics workshop that I'm sitting in now. And once you're done, end live video. You want to end it. And I'll say sure. And I'm going to click on done. Now for the page video, since that was a public video, I went ahead and clicked on delete. But in this case, I clicked on done. And that's it. That's all you have to do to create a video inside of a group.